The metaverse is opening up new possibilities in education, work, and even healthcare. But have you ever thought about how it might revolutionize motherhood? From virtual breastfeeding support to immersive parenting education, the metaverse could be a game changer. Today, we'll explore what breastfeeding in the metaverse might look like and how it could shape the future of motherhood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in parenting and technology. The metaverse is a digital space where people can interact in virtual environments. For mothers, this could mean access to virtual breastfeeding support groups, one-on-one consultations with lactation consultants, and even 3D simulations to learn breastfeeding techniques, all from the comfort of home. Would you use the metaverse for parenting support? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more futuristic insights. One of the biggest challenges new mothers face is isolation. The metaverse can create virtual communities where moms from around the world connect, share experiences, and support one another. Imagine attending a virtual breastfeeding workshop with moms from every corner of the globe, all in real time. If you'd love to see a future with more connected moms, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. The metaverse could also transform parenting education. For example, virtual environments could simulate real-life breastfeeding challenges, helping mothers and caregivers prepare for different scenarios. Interactive learning like this could empower parents with practical skills and knowledge. Are you excited about using technology to enhance parenting skills? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more discussions on innovative parenting tools. The metaverse could make breastfeeding support more accessible to mothers in remote or underserved areas. With just a headset and an internet connection, moms could access the same quality resources as those in urban centers. This technology has the potential to level the playing field in maternal care. If you believe in making resources available to everyone, hit the like button to support this vision of inclusivity. The idea of breastfeeding in the metaverse might seem far-fetched today, but as technology evolves, it could become a reality that enhances support, education, and community for mothers everywhere. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone curious about the future of motherhood. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how technology is shaping parenting and family life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.